Journalist, writer, producer, director, content creator, he is a man who wears multiple hats with absolute ease. I have with me Ram Kamal Mukherjee, sir. So wonderful to see you here at India Web Fest 2018.
So wonderful to see you, Sonu, because it has always been a pleasure interacting with you, and I think you've been one of the most promising journalists that I had experience interacting and to an extent working under the same roof. So great meeting you, yeah?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for those kind words. How's the experience been here at India Web Fest 2018 for you?
I think it's brilliant because since Siddharth Layak and Ashish Banka were planning to do this, I think he had roped me in to kind of, give suggestions and be a part of it. So I guess my production house, which is Assorted Motion Pictures, is very much a part of this, and it's in association with that. And I keep saying that digital is not the future, it is the present. So I mean, we are all in digital space and world. We cannot ignore the fact that we are all watching content on our phone or on iPad. So I guess this is the first year, and I think it's going to become bigger and bigger. What I would want IWM Buzz to kind of take it to different cities and not restrict it to just Bombay. Maybe, Bangalore would be a very good city to travel with to begin with. Delhi would be a brilliant city to be there. I know, I mean, we are all in Bombay and we all think Bollywood and we all think glamour. But we need to reach out. So that is, I think, Sonu, which I guess you, me, Siddharth, Ashish, everybody needs to kind of take it forward.
Some great inputs coming in there from Ram, sir. Sir, since you are prolific on the digital medium now with films and stuff, how do you see it impacting the lives of people, and do you see audience gravitating from television and films to digital, so to speak?
Yeah, I'll give you a very simple example. Like, to begin with, I have made my debut as a director in a digital platform. And you know that I have been a hardcore Bollywood person, and if needed be, I could have taken the very conventional 70mm route. I mean, yeah, it would have been probably a little more tougher in terms of getting the budgets in place. But yeah, so here why I chose Cakewalk to be a digital film, a short feature film, is because I don't have to go through the rigmarole of asking the studios, get a P&A partner, release partner, falana, dimkana karke kabhi wo film banegi nahi. And when you want to make film of your own choice, then you need to take that risk. So I took that risk and I made Cakewalk. Coming back to your question, I would like to ask you that how do you know about the biggest of the biggest films that are releasing, or the trailer or the teaser of the film? How do you come to know about these things? I guess you only come to know from Twitter and Facebook and your phone. And most probably you do skip watching them on 70mm, like a film, with all due regards to Anurag only, right? With all due regards to Anurag, for Mulk. So Mulk is something which I would love to watch it on Amazon, not Padmavati. So there are certain things, the experience matters. But then I know about these big films, big shows, concerts, all through my phone. So that's my first information device. So when I'm saying a first information device, that is very critical in today's time. And that is something which is more powerful. I think so.
Very rightly put, sir. Jaane se pehle, a word about your upcoming project. It's really buzzing. I want you to say about it.
I've made a very short and sweet film. It's a 23-minute film, Cakewalk, starring Esha Deol, Tarun Takhtani, and Anindita Bose. It's shot in Calcutta. It's a relationship story. The story is written by me and directed by me and my co-director Obru Chakraborty. And I think if you watch the film, you'll know why it's being made, because it's got a subtle message in it also. And as the name suggests, it's a sweet journey.
Right. And may your journey be more sweeter and you continue entertaining us with great content. Wish you all the very best, sir.
And I would like to say something at the end, that, Sonup is growing this beard because I think Ranveer Singh has grown, and Ranveer Singh is getting married to Deepika. That's what I keep hearing. So I hope you get a Deepika soon.